Assalamualaikum, my YouTube family Aj, Maapka Sath, share Karti Hu beautiful, smoky golden cut crease eye makeup. Let's start. Step 1. Prep and base prime the eyelid, and apply a neutral transition shade all over the lid. Step 2. Apply a medium brown shade in the crease, and blend well. Step 3. Apply a dark brown or black shade on the outer corner, and blend. Step 4. Use a concealer to carve a sharp crease above the natural crease. Step 5. Apply a glitter glue, and then apply a gold or bronze glitter. Step 6. Create a bold winged eyeliner on the upper lash line. Step 7. Smudge the lower lash line with dark eyeshadow and highlight the inner corner. Step 8. Apply a mascara and false lashes, highlights brown bone and inner corner. Beautiful eye makeup done. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye.